we're getting ready to do a long trip, and I want you being a good girl. What I'm going to do is, but there's the difference. I think you can see the difference. This is why you go camping. Hello, this is not a Foto-Pod Adventures. Well, it is kind of. We're getting ready to do a long trip, and I wanted to show you what I did to prepare for this next long trip. And again, it's a teaser. I'm not telling you where we're going. I got new tires on the truck, and then we had a hub going bad, so I had a hub replaced. Piper's helping me today. Aren't you, Piper? You being a good girl? Huh? You ready to go on a long trip? I've come to the conclusion that if you own an R-Pod, there's always going to be repairs. But what I've done so far is I shined the front end, and these things oxidize real bad. Let me find you the stuff that I use, and I got this off of another R-Pod site. And this is not an endorsement. 3M Marine Cleaner and Wax. It really works well. And on the front, because it gets bug covered, after I did this, I put a coat of wax on there also. I put new tires, the Carlisles, on the R-Pod. Also, Kathy mentioned that a few of you have, this black strip down here has separated, even underneath the fender. So what I did is take the screws out, put new caulking in, and then I put new screws because the screws were looking old. Kathy's inside cleaning. What I'm going to do is use that compound, that 3M wax, marine wax and cleaner, and do the back. And I'll just do 1/2 so you see the difference. I think it's called 303. It's like an Armor All, but it has a lot of UV protection, and I do all the seams and everything with it. What Kathy and I normally do is when we're traveling, if we see something that needs repaired, we make a list right away or we forget. I also did some undercoating. I had a couple rust spots, and I'm not sure if I told you, but I had new L brackets welded in on this side of the R-Pod because the slide out was bending the floor in the R-Pod. A lot of people were having problems with that. So let's get busy. It's warm today. So this is my project next few minutes. First thing I'm going to use is simple green, clean the surface, and then I'm going to use this 3M marine cleaner, and I'm going to do it in a time lapse, but I'll do 1/2 of it. I'll probably do this far half first over here. But I don't know if you can see that from the camera angle. This side has been done. This side has not been done. And you can kind of see the difference in the oxidization. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a coat of wax just on these sides. I may use wax on the sides. The sides don't oxidize like the front panel and this back panel. So, but there's the difference. I think you can see the difference there. There's the side I did, and there's the side I haven't done. So I'm going to finish that. Now I'm not sure on the side. The side doesn't get as much sun. I may just give it a waxing. I'm not sure, but I'm going to dress all these seams with a conditioner, and we should be good to go. Kathy's doing a bunch of cleaning on the inside. Come back and see where this next big trip takes us.